So we have an industrial joystick in here. And on this indicator, it's indicating when we are using the joystick, giving the speed and direction and all that. But we can go here also. So press this one. So now we are controlling beats from this jogger. So direct control like that, and we can see the angles in here. So this is gimbal. We have also roll. And yaw control like this. And for the joystick control, we have also the speed, so we can do very slow if you like. So let's make it 10. And even slower. So now it's very slow. And you have always the full control, so if doing like this, then it's going really slow. And we have the expo, so that's useful. So we can have the speed a bit higher and this high, so then we still have fine control when we need, and then we can do fast.